Alright.
Hello, thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Apprentice Akali, as you can see. I'm not playing Akali! What is this fucking bullshit?
He's not playing Akali. He's not.
Shut up, I'm speaking.
But he is
Anyway.
going against the Akali.
So anyways, yeah, I want to play Akali for you, and apparently it just not work in my favor, so I'm going to dumpster this Akali, hopefully.
That is the goal.
That is the goal, yes. I'm duo with a friend of
Goals
mine.
were set.
His name shall not be named, but it rhymes with Engwin.
Definitely not Penguin.
Shut up. So he does have a cool skin though. He's playing the Kha'Zix. See Kha'Zix? See? He's in the bush. You can't see him right now.
That? Wait,
That was the TF laying down his dominance. All right. Do not mess with the TF.
Let's go. We're gonna be dominant. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, he's really dominant. I don't want to go this way. Ooh,
Oh, there they are. There they are.
I
Let's go.
saw them.
Let's go. That's a Hecarim.
I don't know about all that. And boom.
At least we warded it. Oh, there's the Akali.
You mean
She's scared. She's scared of me. She saw the Annie.
Everyone's scared of 5-year-old girls.
That's true, especially the one that's a pyro. So anyways, Akali has a really cool skin. Wish I had that one, but it's not available anymore. And I think I have to avoid... it'd be great if I can actually CS. That'd be great. Hey, CS. She's just kind of push into me. That sounds kind of kinky. I'm down with it. I'll go with it. Aw. Why are you queuing me? I'm just trying to get the CS. And I can't CS. That's great. She's probably going to E.
Look at you trying to call things.
You hush. She's going to feed in the tower. It looks like I'll have to... Oh, great. I can't hit. CS to save my life! Hey, first blood! Garen's going to carry. I love it.
I mean... Maybe.
I mean, it's 12 to 2. I can't CS.
He has a big mastery, so...
Yeah.
Hi, fans. My name is Penguin, and I am...
This is my video. Why are you talking?
Don't
talk. Don't talk!
Shut the fuck up. Oh,
okay.
Wait, shut the freak up.
No, you can say fuck.
No, ads, yo. Ads. Matters.
You know what? I'm just trying to fucking CS. Apparently I can't even do that.
I mean, that's not surprising.
That's true. Hey, electric proc. I'll take it. Okay. Woo, I got one. I can't hit fucking CS to save my life. 23 to 7. I got it. I got this. Hey, I got a CS. Oh, I can't get 2 in a row though. No 2 in a row. Never for me. She tried. You missed your W. Hey, Akali, you missed it. She knows. She knows. She does know.
Does she though?
Minions! I can't get 2 in a row. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Can I get 2 in a row? I got one. Fucking beat you, tower. So Kha'Zix, how's it going?
There's some stuff going on bottom lane, and they're all very happy about it.
That's weird.
Oh, there's a fucking ward here. Look at that.
So I really want the candy minion. I'll take the candy minion. You missed your W. There. Take that for missing your W. Hey, I got one. She's okay, I guess. No, she's horrible.
Ready?
No, stop! What are you doing? She's just gonna fucking W away.
Oh, never mind.
So bad. So bad!
Bye!
Okay. You scared her off, though. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hecarim's up top, so... Oh, okay. Hide behind my minions. Shroud.
Ooh, they want it.
Ooh, do you like that trade? That was spicy.
We're going for it. We're going for it.
You got it. You got it. I'm dealing with the Akali. I can't help. Ah! Come on, give me 6. Give me 6. Yay, you got one.
No, baby, come here, baby. Give me both of them.
Okay, so this video is not me doing anything. It's my friend doing it now. So, yay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
I'm just here for the lulz.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it.
Alright,
Do it.
let's invade this jungle, cause
Do
their
it.
jungles don't mean shit. Give me that camp. Give me that camp. Give me this camp. Yep, that's mine. I'm out. That's a lot of gold. I got to go, baby.
Yeah, at least I got one of those.
He jungles in.
Akali's missing. I don't know where she's at.
Oh, it's fine. She's up there.
Oh, she's right there. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Come on. Hit me. Hit me. Aw. Doesn't want to hit me.
You know
Probably
what sucks about playing Kha'Zix? Is knowing what to fucking evolve.
Yeah, that's true. There she is.
It's always circumstantial. Like,
I don't know if I have enough for my combo. Maybe.
I mean, where'd she go? She's right there. Ooh, she wants it.
No matter, no matter, no matter! Save me! Oh, at least I got the assist. Now, you have to thank Tibbers. You have to thank Tibbers now. Say thank you, Tibbers.
Thank you, Tibbers, baby.
Yay. Okay.
I'm gonna push your lane.
Yeah, go for it. Bot lane's getting spicy.
I want them to do. Okay, what do I evolve? What do I want to do? Actually, this is what I'm gonna do. Boom, baby.
You evolved wings. Don't you get like another jump with wings? Jen. Jen's 2-0. GG. FF.
Ooh, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Do I need to come save? Ah! Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good.
Ooh, get out of here.
You're good. You're good. You got the Soraka. Run away! Run away! Okay, I was gonna help, but
I know what I'm doing. I promise. I'm good at this game sometimes. I haven't played Kha'Zix in like years, though, so I can't actually say that with confidence.
hey, good on ya. So I want to farm. Akali, let me farm. Akali, let me farm. I told you to let me farm. Take that tower hit. You made me miss the canyon. I'm so angry at you now. There. Take that. 4 seconds. Oh, you're done.
Is she done though?
She will be once I get Tibbers.
I'm coming up, baby. I'm coming up. Ready?
Where's she going? Where's she going? Did she leave? She leave?
In the bush. She left. She left.
In the bush. That sounds kind of kinky.
Ooh. Watch out, Heckrum's right there.
I see him. I see him.
Do you though? Are you sure?
I see the Akali there too. She's sneaking up. I got you. I got you.
I see her. I see her. I see her.
She's gonna jump on me though.
Got some stuff right there.
Where's the Akali? She's playing hide and seek.
Woo! Oh god, I'm dead. They're both there. I did not expect them both to be there. Hey, 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 Garen, Garen, baby, Garen, baby, Garen, baby. No, he's not paying attention. All right.
No, probably not.
Never mind.
I like to get to. Aw, Tibbers almost scored on me. Well, scored for me.
Wait, am I red though? Anyone? People? Oh my god.
I'm not gonna go into that jungle with both of them. You crazy?
I know I know, but
Yeah, I got the canyon. That's all that matters.
it's not all that matters. There's a lot of dominance going on that I'm not happy about
But
right
I like
now.
the canyon. Canyon. I can't speak. No, oh, see, now the Garen comes. They've already poured it out, though. Maybe. Oh, they didn't attack your red. Was the Hecarim being nice to you? That's not cool. Give me.
Woo, baby!
Yay!
Get out of this shit.
So I'm pretty sure Akali used her.
Do?
Oh, you missed me. Akali, you missed me. She could probably fucking one-shot me, too.
Yeah, be careful.
Going. Oh, she's making her rounds. She's making her rounds.
We're coming! She's done!
Yay!
What did we say? What did we just say there?
I can't follow. I'm so weak. I'm a canyon minion.
We're
I'm
here
a canyon
for you,
minion.
baby.
I'm a canyon minion.
You are a canyon minion.
I am a canyon. Without timbers, I'm a little canyon minion.
But you're a cute 5-year-old canyon minion and not cute in like a sexual way,
Woo!
like cute like a little girl.
Hey, this is for YouTube. Keep it civil, dude. Keep it civil.
I specified.
So hi, Apprentice Akali on support Annie. Yay. Feel like I'm just
doing
support.
things. I promise, I'm doing things. They're not the best things, but they're things.
Yeah. Aw.
Oh, I can't get down there. Oh, watch out, there's a teleport bottom. Guys, watch out.
I can sort of come.
You guys are getting heavy down there. What the hell's going on?
I'm dealing with 2 assassins.
I mean, I get that.
They
But...
owned me. They have my name. Akali's
They
3
have
and
your
2.
name now?
Well, Raleigh burned a flash. She's right there. Ooh, popping off. Maybe. Oh! Oh no, the ignite! The ignite! You live.
No!
No!
The honors!
How did that work?
I saw them coming for me too. Oh, such a sad day.
Hey, you know what's
I
great
did my
though?
job though.
You know what's great? You know what's great?
What?
I saw my tower.
I mean, that's cool.
Yeah. And their
It's
towers.
okay, because hopefully they're about to get this fucking bottom tower. Come on. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, no, they're all there. I'm gonna go top lane and cover this. Oh, I mean, 4 and 2 and 4. 4, 2 and 4. I'm not doing bad. I'm active.
You are. Better than me. I'm just feeding my butt off.
Yeah, but you're just a 5-year-old. Like, come on. You can't have too high of expectations.
Well, literally, I just have to wait to build up some items. And then I'm kind of our engage late game. Maybe. Hey, oh, Akali's there. Yeah, I got that. Okay, Akali is there. Let me try to push this since I have a candy minion. Let me see Akali. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm scared. Oh, there's Akali. What am I doing? Go back in! Okay, now I'm scared. Yeah, there she
Ooh,
is.
guess what?
I gotta
I
run.
got their fucking blue.
There's two.
I'm coming, baby.
No, they got Hecarim and Akali right there.
That's fine. My dog just threw her toy at my face.
Well, you know, things happen.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Just trying to run
scared.
away.
Never mind,
Yeah.
she's scared.
I mean, I think my engage needs to be the Tibbers engage.
He's baiting. Don't go. Don't fall for it.
But she's right there. No, I know.
Don't fall for it.
What? That's not cool. Really? Oh, she's gonna emote on me? That's just BM. Should have Zonya'd and the power could have taken her. See, it's the things you think of after you get murdered.
Baby, get out of my face! God, I forgot how fucking freaking strong Kha'Zix is.
What's with the thing above Akali's head? Is that... Oh, that's Garen's... Oh, she's the enemy. That's what it is. Aurella's moving top. She's gonna get the... Well, the cannons are gonna get the minion, or the turret.
Oh, this is beautiful, dude. I forgot how strong she is. Oh my god, but you guys are not carrying anything when it comes to lanes.
Nope. It's all on you.
Don't do that to me. Oh wait, there's some stuff going on over here.
I have 30 seconds till Tibbers. I can't do it. Oriana, no!
I don't want this. I don't want this! Oh my god, you guys have fed these lanes so much! Oh! I guess
I have Tibbers. I have Tibbers. Or maybe soon. I have Tibbers in 3. Hey, I got one! See, that's what's called engage.
There you go. I'm proud of you guys. You guys.
I got 1 kill. We should probably get
Is that your first kill? Oh my god.
the Dargon. Don't judge
Yeah,
me, alright?
I'm on my way.
Right.
But I'm a long ways away.
We have enough here.
Yeah,
Hecarim's
you
dead
got
anyway,
that.
so there's no smite.
Watch out though. She's coming that way.
Yeah, she's gonna push tower, probably. Aurelia. Mean old Aurelia.
Get out of here. I'm actually good at this video game. Holy shit. I forgot that I know how to do things.
So I got a ton of gold. All 4 mid. Come on. TF, where are you going?
I'm on my
TF!
way.
TF!
They're really going ham, and they don't need to be going ham. Oh my god, come on, do something, please! What do you do? Okay.
The gen and the crit! He's got so much range!
What are your cooldowns right now?
4 seconds on my Q.
Oh wait, you have... Never mind, okay. Wow. I'm not gonna say it. The CS difference, though?
Oh yeah, 59 and 106. Again, I was telling you, I was just having a bad CS game.
I might have missed that. I'm sorry, I didn't hear it. My apologies, my friend.
Told you the whole beginning of the game. Can I get 2 minions in a row? I'd love 2 minions in a row, but no, I can't do
have
that.
faith in us, though. I have faith in us. I promise.
5
I don't know
Tibbers.
how, but I do.
5 Tibbers. Ooh. We engage. I got Tibbers. No flash though.
I can't overpush though, because they'll kill me in like, because I am still squish.
If we get a stun, that's great.
So they're gonna get a stun.
Thank
There you
you.
go. There you go. There you go. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let my death be worth, please! The Aurelia is not that... Garen, what are you doing? There you go, guys. There we go. See, I knew it would be worth it. I don't jump in to kill myself lightly.
We appreciate your sacrifice. Look at that. See, I'm 5-4 now. Look at that.
See?
Magic stuff. Hey, come on. Hey, Tibbers. Oh, you died,
So,
Tibbers.
can you play Akali, or whatever the fuck her name?
Oh my
her
god,
name is?
Akali. Yeah,
I
just
like
have to
Akali.
play. That's not
So
even her
can we
name.
play an Akali, and then you play her top, and I play my wonderful, majestic fishy fish?
You asking or you telling?
I'm asking.
Oh, okay. Well, then no. You have to be telling me. Be forceful in this relationship. No, I'm joking.
Well, next time you can call me daddy then.
Shut up. I'm not gonna call you daddy.
But then don't tell me to tell you.
Okay, fine.
I'm playing a champion that I haven't played in like, I can't even remember the last time I played.
Yeah. Ooh, I got Tibbers.
I'd hope so.
That's
What
such a
else are you
short
gonna
cooldown.
do?
Oh, stun, stun, stun. No! Hey, I like that. I like it.
What are you talking about? We did exactly what we wanted to do there.
Yeah, but I wanted to kill the Lucian. Ooh. I'm thinking to sneak around. Bye, Lucian. Ooh,
Actually,
I got Tibbers back up.
top.
I love this cooldown. Hey.
I can
hey.
play Fizz top, by the way. I'm gonna go bottom lane and push this lane because.
Ah!
Oh look, somebody's here, and he's isolated, which is exactly what I want.
That's the Akali or Akili. Yeah, I'd love to go in.
God! Oh god! Oh god! He's killing me. I fucked up. I
No!
hit flash on accident. I hit flash on accident. That's my fault.
No, I missed the stun.
It was
I'm
all
boosted.
on me.
I'm
sorry.
boosted.
We're all boosted.
Yes, we are.
God,
Boosted.
I haven't played Kha'Zix in so long. I'm actually kind of impressed with myself for not playing Kha'Zix in so long.
Oh, I took him down.
Watch out right here. Like,
You know what? I
did
probably
he-
should
what
get
did he just
level
do?
2 boots.
Guys, watch out. I tried to tell you guys. He was right there the whole time. You guys just let him.
Woo! Lots of flashes. Come on, Garen. I have faith. I have faith.
No, he doesn't have faith. Why do you have faith?
Why are they healing so much? I
Because
call
they
bull.
have lifesteal.
I call bull. They're. Oh yeah, the Aurelia. Well, the Aurelia does not have lifesteal. No, don't die!
Come on, do something, guys! Oh my god!
Aurelia! Aurelia, what are you doing?
Oh my lord. Alright, I can't do anything anymore, because I'm officially obsolete. Alright, this is the next item. Alright, I'm gonna play very carefully now. If we have a good lead, but we're not carrying.
We need a good Orianna ult or a good TF stun. Yeah, I've
There's
got
lots
ward
of
up.
possibilities. Next dragon is another
Really?
cloud. It's Akali though. Here you guys go.
Hey, good.
Wow, I suck. There we go. Oh, God, come here. No, no one. You guys are gonna chase the one kill.
He took advantage of me. Tower, tower, tower!
I guess now we don't have any other fucking choice.
Yay, go team.
Ridiculous though.
Woo!
Anyone, please. Garen. Thank you, baby.
Da, 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 da.
I think we win.
Yeah, we just need a really good engage. As long as Garen gets the GTFO.
No, if we keep just pushing the way that we are, we need somebody to push bottom lane though. Garen is done.
Aw, why didn't he come to me?
Because he didn't have a chance to. They would have caught him with some CS. Not CS,
well, because Akali already used her W, or her E. And I think she had already used her...
She wasn't the only one down there.
Okay, I'm actually going to go bot to push.
Yeah, please.
As long as I don't get... Okay.
I mean, I'm going to grab red, and... he's done then, right? Okay, so all of them are top. I think they might go Baron. I'm going to go ward.
Try to push bottom to the... I'm going to take the ward in case they...
Yeah, they're all up here. They're all here. I'm not getting into that by myself. I think they're going Baron. I'm scared, but I'm going to do it again. Nope, they're not. Oh my god!
Oh, did they bait you?
They're not going to kill me. Oh god, that was scary. Ah! Oh, that was fucking scary.
Goodbye, Akali!
Thank you. My ult saved my life there. Oh my lord. Alright, let's go guys. We got this advantage.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Split push Annie, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Is the dream real? The split push Annie game? Oh, Akali. Hey, Akali's alive.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, I am outie.
Yeah, get out. I'm gonna call work.
Well, she got the triple kill, but I got the three. I literally got 3 turrets. Yeah. I'd call that a win. I gotta go though. She's chasing me. I'm scared.
You're probably gonna die.
I have faith. Well, no, I 1v1 Kali earlier, and I had Tibbers, And yeah, okay. Okay, I'm.
Well, yeah, because you're the only one who can 1v1 her, because even in her shroud, if a fucking bear pops up on her, she's gonna get tibbered.
Yeah. No MR. None of them have MR.
Now you know how I
Well,
feel playing Fizz.
actually, no. The Hecarim has MR.
Still, now you know how I feel playing Fizz.
Yeah.
So while they're defending against me, because I'm 11, 9, and 10. Like, I might have 9 deaths, but I have 11 kills and 10 assists. Like, I did my part.
Let me get in there. No! What do we do?
Oh my god.
Yeah, we tried to 5v
I don't know why
or
that
4v5.
fight was a good idea.
I don't know either.
Wait, why did he just teleport in? Like, what is he doing?
They're gonna dive him. You dead. You know what? I don't even care. Even if we lose this, I'm still posting this video.
I mean, I cussed a lot, so
I don't
probably
care.
shouldn't.
Dude, I've watched videos all the time that have cussing in it. It is fine.
Yeah, because you're not trying to monetize right now, so fair. They're going for Baron.
Yeah, that'd be the smart play. I mean, come on. It's a game with a fucking Oriana TF bot. I mean, how much?
Can anybody please, like, go try to do something against the Baron?
I have flash.
Anyone, please?
Baron.
No one even... They stood underneath the tower for no freaking reason. You know what? Mine. I'm not giving you that. That's mine.
Why are you being so greedy?
Because you guys stood
I
there.
stole one from you. I stole one.
That's
Hey,
fine.
I was
You can
dead.
have 110. Not you. You're not gonna get. I'm just mad at everyone else.
Oh. Wait, this is a team game. We have to be good as a team.
Yeah. Then they should be good as a team.
The flame is real. Hecarim, they're spread. Akali's coming from behind.
I see.
Thank you.
Get out of here.
Scared Akali.
Alright.
Hey, that was my kill.
I need to leave. I can't be part of this. Love you guys, but actually, never mind. I'm here.
Leave them. Oh, it missed me. Oh, he actually got me, but. I say we have to end. We have to end now.
Yeah, we do. Well, not end, but actually.
No, we can't end if we push.
No, we can't. We
Yeah, we
still
can.
need minions for those. No, we still need minions for that.
Well, we can at least get these down.
Yeah, which is why I'm bringing the minions up.
And that's why my stun is amazing. Okay, well, once I get this, I am outie. Okay. Really? I have Tibbers in 5, 2,
We
1.
have a fight going on. Hang on.
Ah! They went on me too fast.
Yeah, you guys are idiots.
Yes, we are. Well, the Jin's down. He's 11 and 9, but the Akali's kind of carrying. Pretty much, you got to kill her.
Fine, I'll hold him off till you come back to life.
That's so sweet. Maybe if you don't die. Oh, okay, good.
I'm not
Okay.
gonna die. I still have my E. Like, we're fine. Trust me. I have my E and my Yomos. Like, I'm not going anywhere. Except for mana. I might go somewhere mana-wise.
I mean, if we can hold off throughout the, because who still has
have no idea.
A Baron buff.
Alright, I'm out. I have to go back and get my cleaver.
Okay. And before we totally get annihilated while you're back in base. Hey guys, wards.
No one wards in fucking norms, dude.
Hey, I want a ward. I'm going to ward. So.
I'm sure you will.
I need my stun up. I need my stun up. No! No! They stole my kill! Oh, the Soraka heal. Nice. Oh, the Garen tried to backdoor it. Ah! Look at that. I am... As long as they don't hit me, I'm good. My ult will be back too. This is a long game. This will take forever to upload too. So, yay. Joy! But I do have to put an Annie thumbnail though. So. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm beast. Hey! Look at you doing things on the map.
Right here.
Alright. Stun Timbers is up. I see the Akali. Focus, engage. Oriana, no! 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 Oh! Why'd you steal my kill? See? See, I am literally playing support Annie here. Because apparently... I can't kill the... Ooh. We could end on this. As long as Jin's the only one that can probably pull. Hey, got a kill. Hey, got a kill. Hey!
That's
Look at it. Oh, I love it. I love it! GG. GG. That's a victory.
Ren, come here! Ren! Baby! Ren! Come here! Ren! Ren! Ren!
Don't mind him, he's talking about his dog.
Ren! 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 Ah! We won! We won! We won!
I have to see damage. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to put a warning that there's noise at the end. Okay, yeah. You know what? Great shot calling, leadership. Leadership all the way. Okay, I gotta see the damage. Oh, I outdamaged you though.
Of course you did. You were bursting.
Yeah, 38,000. It was a long game.
41,000.
44.
But you have to admit, me playing around the map was what split them at the end.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I finally started to get kills. Lewis, well, other than the Oriana, Lewis, I can see it. Alright, stop howling. Alright. So that was a game on Annie. Hopefully next time I can get a game on Akali, because that's kind of the focus of this channel. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.
Wait. I have a message for his channel.
Oh, good lord. Go for it.
I love you guys.
Aw, see? The love is shared. Anyways, hopefully the next video shouldn't be too much longer. So, everybody have a good day, and bye!